Hello everyone, welcome back to the IC Travelers. Hey everyone, good morning here from Darjeeling. It's our day 3, and if you have not watched our previous episodes, please do watch that. It is in a series, that's why. Yesterday we went to La Mahata Eco Park and the trip around that. It was amazing, and we also went to Glenaries by night. So anyway, right now it's 8:30. We'll have our breakfast. Today we'll be visiting all the places which are within the city. It is called as Mix Point. Now, what is Mix Point? There is 2 point also, 3 point also. We'll discuss about that, everything about that in the end, by the end of the video. So right now it's 8:30 and we are pretty hungry. We have our breakfast ready, so we'll get down to our breakfast, and by 9:30 the cab will arrive. So let's start the day.
कल का ब्रेकफास्ट अलग था और आज सुबह ब्रेकफास्ट हम लोगों ने अलग सर्व किया है। यहाँ पे उपमा है, आलू पराठा, सैंडविच, पिकल, यहाँ पे कर्ड है, केचप है और टी है। तो अभी स्टार्ट करते हैं। तो हम लोग रेडी हो चुके हैं आज के लिए, ज़्यादा देर नहीं करते हैं।
The cab has arrived actually. Let's go.
चलिए।
अगर आपने पहले की वीडियोस देखी है तो आपको पता होगा हम लोगों ने सारा कैब प्री बुक किया है। तो आज हम लोग जा रहे हैं मिक्स पॉइंट पे। मिक्स पॉइंट हम लोगों ने क्यों डिसाइड किया उसके बारे में बात करेंगे वीडियो के एंड पे। लास्ट एपिसोड की तरह आज भी हम लोगों ने लिया है 4 सीटर कार, और जैसा कि मैंने पहले ही बताया था, अगर आप 4 सीटर कार लेते हो तो 3500 to 4000 आपको पेमेंट करना है। लेकिन हम लोगों ने प्री बुक किया था तो इसकी वजह से इसका भी चार्ज पड़ा हमें 3200 रुपीज़।
Okay, so we are at our first stop. It's now 10:50. Actually, what happened? We are supposed to come out by 9:30. The cab would have arrived, but the problem is that Darjeeling doesn't have too many parking spaces. So what happened? We came to the spot where he would pick up, because till the hotel it was very difficult. It has been difficult yesterday. So till the time we came to that point, it was already 9:40. So after 10 minutes, the cops told him to get out of there, and then. After that, he took like half an hour to come back to that place. So we started our day from the cab like at around 10:15, and now it's 10:50 as I told. So anyway, so we are at our first stop. There are 3 spots that we will witness now. There's Zoo, which is popular for its red panda. So we are very excited. There's Himalayan Mountaineering Institute, which was formed after Tenzing Norgay and Edmund Hillary reached that summit in Mount Everest, and there's one more museum. So anyway, we'll see what all we can see here. And one more specific thing that I want to say about the West Bengal government, there's only one ticketing window. So, and there's a long line. There's so many tourists that come. So I think that there should be at least 3 to 4 ticketing windows. It will not only generate employment, but it will be less tiring for a tourist as well. So anyway, so let's start with the day. This is the diet of a red panda: malingo bamboos, small bird eggs, wild berries, small insects, and they do sleep a lot, I think so.
रेड पांडा एक क्यूट सा एनिमल है, वाइल्ड कैट की साइज जितना ही। ये पांडा सिर्फ आपको दार्जिलिंग और सिक्किम के जू पर ही देखने को मिलेगा मेनली। ये इस जू का मेन अट्रैक्शन है अलोंग विथ रॉयल बंगाल टाइगर। इसके बाद हम लोग गए बर्ड सेक्शन पे, जहाँ हमें अजीबोगरीब तरीके के चिकन देखने को मिला, जो देख के हम भी हैरान थे। और बहुत सारे एनिमल देखने के बाद हम गए इंस्टीट्यूट की तरफ। ये जगह तेंजिन नोर्गे और एडमंड हिलरी, जो सभी को पता है, 1953 में उन्होंने माउंट एवरेस्ट की चढ़ाई की थी। उसके बाद ये 1954 में इनॉग्रेशन हुआ था। वो लोग भी पार्ट थे इस इंस्टीट्यूट का। और गवर्नमेंट ने ये इंस्टीट्यूट इसलिए बिल्ड किया था ताकि लोग मोटिवेट हो, लोगों को वो लोग समझा पाए कैसे माउंटेन की चढ़ाई या फिर कोई भी ऐसी चढ़ाई कैसे किया जाता है। तो ये इंस्टीट्यूट अभी भी चल रहा है। जैसे कि हम लोगों ने देखा यहाँ पे हॉस्टल या फिर इंडोर ट्रेनिंग सेशन सब कुछ है यहाँ पे। तो हम लोग अभी अंदर जाएंगे और देखेंगे यहाँ पे क्या क्या देखने को मिलता है। और एक चीज़, अगर आप भी इंटरेस्टेड हो तो आप भी आके ये इंस्टीट्यूट ज्वाइन कर सकते हो। चलिए।
Okay, so the museum was quite nice. Even if you have to climb a little bit up, still don't miss out on this museum of the institute. It totally shows the achievements of not only Tenzing Norgay and Edmund Hillary, but so many things. There is also a telescope that was presented by Adolf Hitler to the chief of Nepal army. So there's so many interesting things, and you'll really like it. So. Very sorry I couldn't show you as photography was prohibited. So let's head to the next point. Maybe see snow leopard and all. Let's go.
इंस्टीट्यूट के बाद हम बैठे कैफ़े पर, क्योंकि चाय पीने का बहुत ज़्यादा मन हो रहा था। लेकिन चाय के साथ हमें मिला यमी चिकन मोमोज भी, पूरी नेपाली स्टाइल में बनी हुई। उसको खा के हम लोग गए ऊपर की साइड पे, और वहाँ आपको देखने को मिलेगा रॉयल बंगाल टाइगर और उसके साथ ही बहुत सारे वाइल्ड एनिमल। जब भी आप इस जगह पर आओ, कुछ भी मिस मत करो, क्योंकि हर एक जगह उन्होंने काफ़ी अच्छे से डिज़ाइन किया है। और एनिमल सब भी आपको इतने पास से देखने को मिलेगा, जो कि हर एक जू पर पॉसिबल नहीं है। अभी बज रहे 1:30। हमारे पीछे जो है वो है वर्ल्ड पीस पगोडा, और यहाँ पे 2 स्पॉट एक साथ है, जापानीज टेम्पल और पीस पगोडा। हम लोग पहले पीस पगोडा पे जाएंगे, उसके बाद जापानीज टेम्पल हम लोग विजिट करेंगे। ये 1 नवंबर 1992 को इनोग्रेट किया गया था। ये एक्चुअली सारे लोग, जितने भी लोग हैं इस दुनिया में, उसके रेसेस और सबको मिला के यूनाइट करके एक वर्ल्ड पीस वो लोग दिखा सके या फिर कर सके, उसके लिए ये सिंबॉलिक तौर पे ये बनाया गया था। तो इंटरेस्टिंग है चीज़ें, अंदर जाके देखते हैं यहाँ पे है क्या एक्चुअली में।
Now we are heading towards the Japanese temple. It is also known as Nippon Zen Myohoji Buddhist Temple, and it showcases a classic Japanese style of architecture, and it was quite beautiful to be true. There is a unique style of stairs made of wood, and going up, it only felt peace. Alright, so from Peace Pagoda, it took us like half an hour and we reached here. It's 2:30 now, and we are here at Batasea Loop. It took 50 rupees each, the ticket, and right after entering this place, it's really beautiful. Like, they have maintained it so well. First, let me tell you about the Batasea Loop. As the name suggests, loop. So it's a loop actually, or you can say a spiral railway system, which lowers the gradient of the ascent of the toy train. And also it is also a memorial dedicated to the Gorkha regiment. And here, this side, if you can see, you get a panoramic view of the Kanchenjunga. So there are binoculars too, to see the Kanchenjunga, but right now there's no clear sky, so we will not do that. But we are having a very good time here. We took some great pictures, beautiful pictures. So let's enjoy, and we'll have lunch also after this. So, yeah.
बतासिया लूप से निकलने के बाद अभी हो गया था लंच का टाइम, और सामने ही हम लोग को दिख गया एक छोटा सा रेस्टोरेंट। यहाँ पे आपको अभी दार्जिलिंग पे रोड साइड पे कहीं पे भी मोमोज मिलना पॉसिबल नहीं है, क्योंकि गवर्नमेंट ने सारे वेंडर्स को उठा दिया है। तो हम लोग एकदम क्रेव कर रहे थे कि हम लोग को ऑथेंटिक जो नेपाली स्टाइल फूड है वो मिले, और हम लोग लकी थे कि ये कैफ़े या रेस्टोरेंट हम लोग को देखने को मिला। यहाँ की मेनू पे जितना कुछ था ऑलमोस्ट सब कुछ ही हम लोगों ने ऑर्डर किया और भरपेट हम लोगों ने खा लिया, और उसके बाद हम लोग निकले अपने नेक्स्ट स्टॉप के लिए। बतासिया लूप से 1 घंटा राइड करके हम लोग आए ये पत्थर को देखने। मतलब ये है तेंजिंग रॉक HMI। ये बेसिकली ऐसा है कि इसको क्लाइम करने के लिए इंस्टीट्यूट वगैरह भी यूज़ करते हैं, या फिर आप टिकट लेके भी आप भी कर सकते हो। अभी तो कुछ भी नहीं बंद है, पर लिटरली 1 घंटे का राइड ये रॉक के लिए था, इसके लिए था।
Alright, so after Tenzing Rock, we just drove for 5 minutes. It's now 4:55-ish, and right now we are here at the tea garden. We don't know the name actually. We have to ask the driver, but it's looking very beautiful. But forget about the tea garden. The landscape is quite beautiful. Like, we are really loving our time here, and it's our last stop, so it's a good way to end the day. And this is how we ended our mix point today. And again, what is mix point, 2 point, 3 point, we'll discuss by the end of the video. So yeah, we'll see this place, we'll admire this place, and then we'll go back to our stay, and then we'll see if we go to Mall Road again in the evening or not.
होटल पहुंचने के बाद थोड़ी देर रेस्ट लेके ही संजू और मैं निकल गए मॉल रोड की ओर। और आज हम लोग जा रहे हैं क्लॉक टावर के पास, क्योंकि 2 दिन से हम लोग इन्फॉर्मेशन कलेक्ट कर रहे थे कि कहाँ पे सस्ती चीज़ हमें मिले जो आप लोगों को हम दिखा पाए। तो क्लॉक टावर के पास आपको इवनिंग की टाइम पे बहुत अच्छा स्टॉल मिलेगा, जो कि वो लोग रोड साइड पे ही लगाते हैं। वहाँ पे आपको सबसे ज़्यादा सस्ते पे जैकेट, स्वेटर सब कुछ मिलेगा, और उतना कम प्राइस आपको मॉल रोड और मॉल रोड के नीचे वाला एरिया जो कि लोअर मॉल रोड है वहाँ पे भी नहीं मिलेगा। वहाँ उस टाइम पे एक्सपो भी चल रहा था, तो हम लोग एक्सपो के अंदर भी गए, थोड़ा बहुत वहाँ पे भी घूमे और निकले होटल की ओर। भैया ने सेल्फी के लिए डेकोरेशन कर दिया है यहाँ पे।
Alright, so we'll end the video now. It was a very good day, and before discussing all the package what we took and all, a life update. I have caught cold, so my immunity is not that strong like before. I'm 30 years now, and so that's a thing to understand, that whenever you get time, to whichever place you can afford and you can go, just travel as much as when you are young. So anyway, so let's discuss now. So the trip that we did is called as Mix Point here. Actually, the travel agents has differentiated different points so that it helps, it becomes easier for them also to make people understand, and it becomes easier for the tourists also. So basically it goes like, the first thing is 2 Point. So that includes Rock Garden and Ganga Maya Park. Then comes 3 Point, which includes Tiger Hill, the Sunrise Point, Khum Monastery, and Batasia Loop. Then comes 5 Point, which includes Japanese Temple, Peace Pagoda, then Art Gallery, Druk Monastery, and Dridhan Temple something. And then comes 7 Point. It's almost the same. And then comes the Mix Point, and this is the best option because it mixes all from all those points. It takes the best out of it, and it helps you go through all the places in a day. So the Mix Point is everything that we went through today. But you need to understand that the 3 Point, Mix Point, and 2 Point can be done in a day. Now 3 Point is what? Tiger Hill, Sunrise Point, and then Khum Monastery and Batasia Loop. So 3 Point, why we didn't do it, because 3 Point starts from 4 a.m. Like you have to go out by 4 a.m. and the trip ends by 8 a.m. and then the Mix Point starts by 9 a.m. or something like that and ends by 3 p.m. afternoon, and then 2 Point starts like Rock Garden, Ganga Maya Park. Now Sunrise Point, we didn't wanted it to be very hectic trip, so we didn't do that. So you can do that if you want, like 3 Point, Mix Point, and 2 Point. And about the cab charges, so as we have been saying it in our episodes, that we have already pre-booked everything, so we'll tell about that in our travel guide properly. However, the company name with which we booked everything, we'll give you the details in the description. But if you don't pre-book, if you take a cab from here, if you do the Mix Point only, for the small car like us, Fronx or Desire, it will take 3,500 to 4,000, and for the big car, the Innova and all, it will take 4,500 to 5,000. And then if you add the two Sunrise Point and then the Rock Garden part also, then it will be there will be some extra charges, and that we'll tell you in our travel guide. So that is the cab charges, and what else is left? Yeah, and actually ropeway is also included in the Mix Point, but we didn't go for the ropeway. And Batasia Loop normally doesn't stay in the Mix Point, is included in the Mix Point, but we skipped ropeway and we took the Batasia Loop because ropeway, it takes a lot of time. It almost because whenever you go, you have to stand in line, long line of 2 hours. But all the information, every minute detail, you will get to know in the next episode, because we'll be taking the ropeway in the next episode, and we'll also be taking the toy train. So we are very excited and to wait for that. So let's now end the video. Let's not take much time. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Please watch all hours the episode from the first. And if you are also going to Goa, we have our Goa series, you can see that also. And please like if you like the video, and comment us down if you want to know anything else than whatever we have shared. So yeah, bye bye, take care, and see you on the next episode.